Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. This video is boys and little uh, boys and young boys, different men styling ideas for caps, cap style ideas, most beautiful, different and decent color. Different style and different look, different brand ideas and beautiful color combinations, decent one shade combination looks for boys and men's for university day and business work day. So I hope you like it. So please see this video till the end, and mention me comment section for your response and different style ideas for your favorite looks and favorite review. Mention me comment section, and please most beautiful and stylish looks for this channel. Please review my videos and press the bell icon button. So take care, bye bye, see you soon, and bye, Allah Hafiz.